Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm show you guys how to using digital inputs and digital outputs on ESP32. So and uh, and you can see this is the hardware I'm using in this video. And yeah, and before we get started, make sure you guys you are subscribed to this channel and click the bell to be notified of my new video on learn ESP32, learn microcontroller, and learn embedded system. So now the first I'm going to introduce to you the schematic for I'm using in this video in this project. So and you can see I using the one key like buttons, like its buttons. Yeah. And the button control the left of using the left 5 volts, and the left 5 volt connect to ESP32 through one register 1000 ohm. And the anodes of left 5 volt I connect to route and ZND. Yeah. And the buttons I'm using connect to GPIO 17, and I'm also use the one register 1000 ohm and connect to 5 volt. Yeah. Why I use the register to in buttons and left and the next and the few minutes. Yes, and the next few minutes I'm when I code I introduce to you, right? So the important thing I wanted to do to you, and this is the codes for ESP32 control left through buttons. So now I open this Visual Studio Code, and the first I'm going to show you create a new project. If you don't know new project for ESP32, let's see and click and see and watch my previous video on create a first and build and upload the codes into ESP32. Now I'm going to create a new project. And then wait the few minutes and click yes, and click a new project, and I put a name for my project ESP32 inputs outputs, right? Yes, and I choose ESP32, and I wrote this option. And I click to Dios ESP32 DevKit version 1. Yes, framework I put, I don't know, and I relocation this project in my file name. Yes. Okay, I click finish, and wait a moment to my computer creates a new project. Yeah, the the create new project successful, and yes, and I'm going to show you how to code for this project step by step, and you can flow with me. Yes, I I choose the short and name .cpp. Yes, and I will delete this function because this function I don't use. Okay, I will delete this function. Okay, and I also delete the co-inter function, and I delete the command in this function. So yeah, the first we need to init for input pins and output pin for ESP32. Yeah, I using serial. The first I using serial begin to debug for the codes. Yeah. 9600. Yes, and the step by step, the next step I init for outputs and input pins, and input pin. Okay, yeah, you can see you can receive this schematic. Yeah, in here I'm using connect button to ZPO 17, and left connect to ZPO 25. So in needs, and in this like this pins. I'm using pins mode function to in this ZPO on ESP32. Yeah, in pin mode 17. Yes, I define. Yes, I will define left ZPO 25, and define burns 17. Yeah, I remember the value of the define. You can see of upper, yes, upper the keys, to the easily moderators. Yeah, I need the left in outputs. Yes, and pin. I also use pin mode to init the burns. Yes, is inputs. Okay. Yeah, and you can use the inputs pull down and inputs pull off. If you don't use register, if you don't use register in here, and you can see, and you can use inputs pull down or pull off and pull off, right? Because I'm using the a register like in here, so I init input and init the button input. Yeah. Yes, and the thing and the remember thing, you can in internet sets the first value for as for in output pins. Yeah, in output pins. Yeah, remember only the output pins you need to set the first value for this. Okay, and then when I don't push the key, and the left turn off, and when I push the key, the left turn on, right? So yes, I do digital because I'm use the digital inputs, and so I I I close the digital, right? Okay, and the left and the low, let's low. Okay, so yes, and this is the initial successful, and the next step, I'm using code to control left throw buttons, right? Okay, and I if yeah, I use the zero, I use the function, the diff function, the zero rig to rig the state or the state on the buttons, the state of the buttons, right? And the buttons all those over low, yes, and digital ping, digital, and the left turn ons, digital, the left turn ons, yes, and L and L, and if not digital right, left turn off, okay, low, okay, and this is the code of successful. And today's and now I'm going to introduce the code, why I call this. Okay, if you don't if you don't push the key, and ZPIO17 connect to 5V, and when I push the buttons, and the ZPIO17 change to connect route, and yeah, and similarly similar the keys the left and connect to and the ZPIO7 2025 using like this. Okay, so and now I will build the project, and wait a few minutes please. Yeah, when we build successful this project, and the next step, I'm going to upload it in the code of this code into ESP32 into a schematic. I'm using the hardware, this hardware, so I upload the code. Yeah, the code to be upload successful, and yes, and I put the left. I push the buttons, the left turn on. Yeah, and I don't push the left turn off. Yeah, you can see. Yes, you can see. Yeah, I push the button, the left turn on, and I don't push the left turn off. Right now, and I'm going to show you using the flash form serial monitors. Yeah, and you can see I I did in this tutorial begins. Yes, and in here I using serial to monitor the code, and brings the left turn ons. Yeah, and in here I'm using the left turn off. Yeah, okay. So and I build and upload and reload to this code into ESP32. Yeah, build successful. Then I click the upload this code into ESP32. Yeah, upload successful, and I will click the serial monitor to monitor this code and debug the codes. Okay, turn off. Yeah, you can see turn off the left, and when I push the buttons, when I push the buttons, right? Yeah, you can see in monitors, in serial monitor, appear left turn ons, and you can and yes, and I don't push. Yeah, the left turn off, and the left turn on, a left turn off, and a left turn on. Yeah. Now thank you for watching, and finish this video. And if you like this video, click the like icon below. And now bye, and see you the next video. Bye bye.